everybody, this is our second video and we're going to be talking about Zapier. I love Zapier, but before I go in there, I want to talk about what we talked about last time, which is Meeting Bird. It is an easy way and free way to schedule appointments, and you can have as many scheduling links as you want, as you can see. And then you also can do polls too if you have people around. Easy, free, love it. But one thing that I love too is that it syncs up with Zapier. Zapier is an amazing tool that I use to help connect different devices. So how I do it with Meeting Bird, anytime somebody schedules, it actually texts me. So I have what is called a Zap. And so you can actually sync these up in settings, and you can go over here in integrations. So I have it with Zapier, and then I have it with Zoom too. So those are some things that I do. But let's get into Zapier. And let's just say, if it's your first time, go easy. It is overwhelming. Again, another thing I love is that all of these flow through Google. Makes life so much easier. And so there are a lot of Zaps that you can use. I am going to go to just explore. And so what are some things that you can do? There's CRMs, emails. Again, my go-to is making it where I have an app that I use. So I use my email, my Gmail. If you're tired of having to figure out what emails they were that had sent, or if you don't have, if you're using Zoom and you have webinars, or you don't do webinars, you do meetings, and you still want to get all the data, you can collect some of that as well. So that's a little end around I found. Again, I mainly use it for sending messages, but you can also register new leads, send new leads. Just check it out. They connect with so many apps, and I'm not kidding. So Gmail, Slack, Trello, Google Calendar, another one that I use a lot. Anytime I have a Zoom meeting, I also pop it over. Google Drive, if you have forget to put things on your Google Drive, you can automatically download them for you. MailChimp. All this to say, look at your schedule and look at your time. Watch it for a few days and see what you keep doing over and over and over and over again. There's a high chance you can actually find a Zap for it. You know how we say that there's an app for it? Well, now we're trending more to there's a Zap for it. I am not an expert in this, but I just know the little bit I've used it, it is very effective and very useful. So I would reach out to Zapier and see what they also may see. But this is my go-to. This is so helpful. And it's, even if you buy up on pricing, it's worth it. It is so great. So we talked about Meeting Bird, talked about Zapier. The next one I'm going to talk about in our next video is Canva. It is a lifesaver, especially basically if you're going to do anything with content creation, or just if you want to make something pretty and pretty easy.